Okay, question 9. We have binomial distribution. So, a survey has found that of the 2,400 houses in Gromel, 1,680 eat homegrown fruit and vegetables. Part A says using the binomial distribution, find the probability that out of a random sample of 25 households in Gromel, exactly 22 of them eat homegrown fruit and veg. So, let's let X be the number of households eating homegrown fruit and veg. Then the binomial distribution is going to be X binomially distributed NP. So we need to find the probability. So to do that, we know that P is the number of houses that eat homegrown fruit and veg. So 1680 over the total number of households. So over 2,400. Now that gives us 0.7. Now N is the number of households that we are sampling. So N is 25. So X is binomially distributed with 25 and 0.7. Now we want the probability that X is equal to 22. So using your calculators, you want to go onto menu, distribution, and then you want binomial PD. So, and then you want variable CD, binomial CD means cumulative distribution. So that adds up all the probabilities under the value for X that you put in, and also including the value for X that we put in. Here though, we just want a single value, so we want PD. Now, on the distribution screen, you want to put these numbers in, and then press equals, and we get 0.0243. Cool. Okay, then part B wants us to give a reason why our calculation in part A may not be valid for the 25 households in Gifford Terrace, a residential road in Gromel. So the binomial expansion only works when events are independent. So all 25 houses and owners on a single road are likely to be very similar. So, or if someone's neighbour grows fruit and veg, then it might make them more likely to also grow fruit and veg. So, we could say something like the probability of neighbouring households growing fruit and veg is unlikely to be independent, which makes the binomial distribution invalid. Cool.